Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin repairing your Thermomix TM5, you will need the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a Torx screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure to have these tools ready before starting the process. Start by unplugging your Thermomix to ensure safety. Remove the base screws using the Phillips screwdriver. There are 4 screws located at the bottom of the unit. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the base off to expose the internal components. Next, inspect the motor and wiring for any visible damage. If you notice any burnt or frayed wires, it's essential to address these issues. For cleaning, use the soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside. This will help improve performance and longevity. As you are cleaning, ensure you take note of how the parts are connected. If you're unsure about any connections, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This can help clarify any uncertainties before you proceed. Once the cleaning is done, check the impeller for any signs of wear. If it appears damaged, you might need to replace it. To do this, use the Torx screwdriver to remove the screws holding the impeller in place. After removing it, install the new impeller by following the reverse process. After replacing any parts, reassemble the base by aligning it correctly with the unit and securing it with the screws you previously removed. Before plugging in your Thermomix, double-check all connections to ensure everything is secure. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable with the repair process, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, which makes it easy to get your Thermomix repaired without hassle. Now, plug in your Thermomix and turn it on. Listen for any unusual noises and check if it operates smoothly. If you encounter any issues, do not hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. This way, you can make an informed decision without any pressure. Finally, consider scheduling regular maintenance for your Thermomix to prolong its life. Regular checks can prevent major issues down the line, ensuring your appliance remains in top shape. If you prefer a hands-off approach, remember, with our no calls, no travel service, repairs can be handled seamlessly without you needing to leave your home. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.